The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Skiller. And right about now, I have a video to show you where I go around on social media that shows of a pastor and a Rastaman fighting, right? And some persons call it religious war, and some persons might call it other things. That's what I say. But however, it shows up these two persons fighting because of something that happened while the pastor was preaching. Now, this video is from the country of Jamaica, and it is said on social media that the Rastafarian disturbed the pastor while he was preaching, or should I say interfered while the pastor was preaching. And it is also said that the pastor kicked the Rastafarian, right? Now, I am going to show you this video right about now so that you can look and think for yourself and tell me what you think also towards this video. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can leave your comments in the comment section and let me know. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Make sure you keep yourself wide. Make sure you keep yourself wide. Make sure you keep your position. Keep your position. Keep your position, demon. Satan, keep your position. Satan, keep your position. Satan, keep your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position, demon. Hold your position, Satan. Satan, hold your position. Hold your position, demon. Hold your position. Satan, hold your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position. Hold your position, Satan. Hold your position.
Me say the thing set like a tin set, boy. Hard. Viewers and subscribers, some persons say that is the Rastaman interfered with the pastor's preaching, and some person says the pastor disrespect the Rastaman, right? Which is the Rastafarian. So that's where me leave it with you, my viewers and subscribers. You just have a look at the video, so you just tell me what you think. But bear in mind that it's a very short video, and you have to keep an open mind because a short video doesn't show everything. Alright? Anyways, yes, I'm left it enough. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?